What is a wrongful death claim, and how can the decedent's family bring a personal injury and wrongful death claim against the at-fault party who caused their family members premature and untimely death? Hey folks, John Leppler here, personal injury lawyer right here in the Baltimore area. And today I want to talk to you about one of the practice areas that my law firm routinely handles, and that is representing families in personal injury wrongful death claims against at-fault parties, whether it be a motor vehicle accident, medical malpractice, or negligent security. What is a wrongful death claim? Well, it is brought by the family members of an immediate family member who suffers a premature and untimely death caused by somebody else's negligence. Could be an at-fault driver, could be a doctor, or it could be a commercial property for negligent security. The persons who are able to bring wrongful death claims are the decedent's spouse, decedent's parent, and the decedent's child. The at-fault parties' insurance companies for these claims will fight you very hard and fight them tooth and nail, potentially all the way to the courthouse steps. Potentially you'll have to go to trial, and you can guarantee that you'll have to file a lawsuit against the at-fault party and litigate with the hopes of getting any sort of fair and reasonable settlement from a potential wrongful death claim. What are some of the things that the immediate family members of the decedent can recover? Talk about the parent, the child, or the spouse. Well, they can recover significant pain and suffering. They can recover pain and suffering that is caused by the family member's inability to be with their loved one who died prematurely and untimely for the rest of their life. They can also recover any medical expenses that the decedent incurred from the time of the incident through the time of their death. The family members can also recover funeral and burial expenses that they needed to pay for their family members' funeral and burial. Finally, if their family member who died was working full-time, they can recover the amount of lost wages that person would have made through their lifetime, assuming that person would have lived through an old and normal age. Wrongful death claims are very complex, and you certainly do not want to go this alone. You certainly need to consult a personal injury lawyer to represent you. Unfortunately, it happens all the time. Could be from a motor vehicle accident, could be a doctor's negligence performing a surgery leading to medical malpractice. And it could be a commercial property having actual notice and knowledge of prior crimes that occur on their property, had something on their property that occurred that was foreseeable. Maybe the decedent was shot or stabbed on their property, and they failed to take preventative measures, reasonable measures, to prevent that incident from happening. If you or a loved one suffered a death in the family, one of your immediate family members, at no fault of their own, could be from a motor vehicle accident, medical malpractice, or negligent security, I urge you to call me. I handle this every single day. Feel free to call me. I'd love to talk to you about you and your family's situation. Thank you.